28 ऑगस्टाक रातच्या 2:30 वरांचेर नासनोळा वाठारांत एका दुचाकीक उजो लागिल्लो। हो उजो लागलो काय कोणे घालो ते कळपाक मार्ग ना। पुलिशेन घडणुकेचो पंचनामो केल्लो खरो, पूण दुसरे वटेन तपास करूना। देखून आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरान तिडक उक्तायल्या।
नाशनला एक इन्सिडंट जाल्लो, कोणाची बायक उलपयली आनी हांवें चॅक केलें तेन्ना कोणाची बायक म्हण आय ट्राय टू फायंड आउट विथ द पुलीस एंड आय कूड नॉट गेट एनी आन्सर कित्याक द हेड कॉन्स्टेबल देर हॅज नॉट रजिस्टर्ड एनी ऑफेन्स. ही ओनली रजिस्टर्ड इट एज अ बर्निंग केस, बट nothing is, I think he's not even registered a burning case. Kahin gail na. So his thing is someone has to come and register an offense. There's nothing like this. The moment such kind of arson takes place, it is his duty to register an offense, investigate. First investigation, konachi gadi. Then find out the owner. Find out whether the owner was riding the bike or he gave it to somebody else. Whether this is a case of ordinary accident or whether it's a case of some revenge. So revenge जाल्यार ते परत repeat जातले. So if you try to trace down, get CCTV footage and सगळे लागीं आहात ते, you try to get this, then you can do it. But I feel that this head constable, for reasons best known to him, is not doing his duty, and if he is not registering any offence, I feel that he is incompetent. He should be suspended and he should be dismissed. We don't want this kind of people who are not working and getting their salary at the end of the month. These are disgrace to the police force. And I will call upon the DGP to make sure that he takes action against such kind of an inefficient and useless head constable, and make sure that law will take its course and he will have to take action on this basis. He'll have to be moved out and somebody else should be replaced so that we can make sure that action is taken properly.